We're going to look at how to install some larger wire with our perimeter wire machine. The normal accessories that come with the machine are not installed, they come in a box. There are three items. There's a sliding foot that goes over here. There's the wire delivery guide and the carbide blade. In order to install larger wire, we need to have different set of equipment. The wire guide is bigger in order to allow the bigger diameter wire. The sliding foot is also a bit wider, so it slides better together. And we also need to have this accessory to guide the wire into the wire delivery system. Now we'll install all the components on the machine. You will need one hex wrench, 5 millimeters. It comes with the machine, but also a ratchet with a 10 millimeter socket. As you saw, he tightened the bolt at the very end in order to make sure that the sliding foot is well aligned and it's not rubbing on one side or the other of the delivery system. Now we need to install a guide for the wire to go straight down into the wire delivery thing. There are a variety of sizes of reels and also of the core of the reels. So with the machine, you have this with a number of possibilities. You can adjust for the width of the reel, and you also have different centers to adjust for the core. In this case, here we have a 12-2 wire. This is the wire for low voltage, for garden lighting. And it's a 250-foot reel. So this one will fit on our normal delivery system that comes with the machine. So you'll see how to install it. There's two components. This arm here is adjustable. So depending on how wide you end up, you can also slide this in order to keep the tightening at the minimum. And on this side is a catch. So it will catch the bolt here and hold it in order to be able to tighten the tension on the drum. Now I can tighten it and adjust the tension in order for the reel not to overspin as it's delivering the wire. Another thing we have is a nut to stop it in the desired position so it doesn't unwind by itself. Also, the wire is coming from the top. It will be better for the delivery if it's coming from the top. Otherwise, it will have a very steep angle and create friction. Now, to install the wire, we simply push it down here and then find the opening and push it down. And so as we go with the machine, the wire will be delivered as the machine goes forward. Here we have a 500-foot reel of 12-2 wire, again slightly larger in diameter, but also made for low voltage lighting. This is really bulky and heavy, about 35 pounds. It won't fit in our normal wire holder system. So what we'll do is we'll replace this component and with one that gives us more space and more height, and also we'll replace that on the side. So Ghislain will show us how this works. As you see, we're able to install large diameter reels. Of course, this installation is a little bit of a prototype because of the big reel, we had to go to the maximum extension of the unit, and the tire being a little bit bigger now than it was when this was designed last year. It means we will have production units that will fit, but this at least allows us to try it and to explore some interesting new markets. I think the landscapers could be interested or are expressing a lot of interest in this, and as well the cable installers for communication cable. Thank you.